Yo, if Jake Paul ever sees this video, he has to comment. He has to do something. Like,
so we're about to cross.
We're gonna go to some train tracks, right? The train tracks. There was rumors of clowns.
Yeah, clown rumors are getting annoying. So
there was some clown rumors, so we're gonna go over there. I think we have to stay there. Like,
they better not close the fence, though.
We're walking some tracks in school, so hopefully the teachers will catch us. So
let's not get suspended.
We're on list to get suspended. All right, hurry up! Hurry up! Train tracks. Look at all this. Supposedly this is a clown territory. Yo, there's a guy over there.
Okay, go.
There's a guy. Hurry up. Yo, that's an on-property area. We're not supposed to be in there. We couldn't do the full minute because there's a guy. I don't know if he's chasing us or not. But there's a guy. He literally seen us. These are the train tracks. Okay, we're good. So there was literally a guy over there. I don't know if the camera captured him, but he had a red hat and a red shirt.
Cut through here.
I don't know where he was going.
Cut through the one.
Yo, we had to make that run. My ankle got caught in the gate. I hit my ribs hard. Go to there. You ever really gotta eat a flower?
I'm not eating no goddamn flower.
Oh yeah, Jake Paul is a low gangers.